Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this look and I used all drugstore products, so let's begin. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin and this is the Hydrating Boost by Revolution. This is a very lightweight moisturizer. It's a gel cream, so it's really nice to apply before makeup because it gets absorbed so quickly into the skin. Next, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Pro Base, and this is another primer, but it's a liquid primer, which I like to spray before my actual cream primer. It's really nice and hydrating and refreshing and smells delicious. I'm going to use Annabelle Cosmetics, and this is a Canadian brand. It's a primer. It's called Refreshing Perfecting Primer. It's enriched with caviar lime pearl extract, which is really nice on the skin. It's very smoothing. Next, I'm going to use another product by Annabelle, and this is called the Hydrating Illuminating Veil. This has a little bit of a sheen to it, so it gives you a glow underneath your foundation. Now I'm going to correct my under eyes, and I'm using a color correcting by Pixi, and this is in the shade Awakening Apricot. This is really nice, very lightweight, it doesn't cake up, it's not thick, and it does color correct your under eyes. So it's really nice before you apply your foundation. Next, I'm going to use my favorite drugstore foundation. This is by Maybelline, and it's called Fit Me, and this is the matte one. My shade, I believe, is 220, and I'm just gonna dab it on my skin and then blend it with a brush. This is very lightweight as well on my skin. It's medium coverage for me. It is matte, so that's why I applied so many layers of hydration underneath, so it doesn't cake up or looks heavy or dry on my skin because I have dry skin. But I love the coverage and the long lasting of this foundation on my face. I'm going to use Marcelle Flawless Extreme Last Retractable Concealer. It's a full mouth. It is in the shade Light Medium. And I'm just gonna blend it with a sponge. And the sponge that I'm using right now, it's from Real Technique. It's really tiny and it fits under the eyes perfectly. I really like it. And I'm using one of my absolute favorite powder from the drugstore, and this is by Mybeliline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Light. I really like it. It's very smoothing. It gives you that airbrush look under your eyes. It's really nice. And for the rest of the face, I'm going to use this Marcelle Cosmetics. This is called Flawless Extreme Last Pressed Powder, and this is translucent. So it's really nice. It's universal. Everybody can use it, and it does set your makeup really nicely. And now I'm going to bronze my skin, and I'm using the Maybelline Dream Sun, and this is in the shade number 3. It's really warm and nice. I really like it. It smells delicious. I like to apply it all over my forehead, cheeks, just to give me that glowy, bronzy look. And now I'm going to contour a little bit with this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Bronzer. I think they have 2 or 3 shades of this bronzer. It smells amazing as well. It smells like coconut and it has a beautiful tone. So before I apply my highlighter, I like to spray my face with this Pixi Rose Glow Mist. It's really nice. It reminds me a lot of the Tatcha Dewy Mist. And now I'm using another Pixi product, and this is the Duo Highlighter, and it's called Delicate Dew. It's really nice. It's very glowy. And this is my favorite blush from the drugstore. It's by Milani, and this is in the shade Luminoso. It's a mix of peach, pink together. It's really nice, and it has a sheen to it as well, so it makes you look glowy. I'm just using the same concealer that I used under the eyes by Marcelle Cosmetics just to prime my eyelids before any eyeshadow. I don't have a preference with eyeshadows from the drugstore, to be honest, so I don't have that many in my collection, but today I just wanted to keep it simple, so I used the Dream Sun by Maybelline bronzer, and I just applied that all over my crease just to have a crease color in there, and I'm just going with a clean brush to clean the edges. And next I'm using this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Fringe. It's really, really shiny and pretty. It's very sparkly. I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. It does look a little bit more on the white side on camera, but it's more like of a champagne with silver sparkles in it. It's very, very pretty on the eyes. And now I'm just taking a bronzer again, and I'm just smudging it under my eyes just to kind of balance everything out. Just to kind of give me a little bit of a smoky effect underneath my eyes. And I'm going to take that ladybird. I'm just going to pop it in the inner corner. It's really, really nice and bright. Next, I'm using this nude eyeliner, and this is by Essence. It's really pretty and it makes your eyes look so big. I'm going to apply some mascara before my falsies, and this is by Marcelle Cosmetics, and it's the Volume Extension Mascara. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and this is the NYX Fill in Fluff in the shade Brunette. It's really a nice pencil. This is my favorite. I use it all the time. It replaced my Too Faced brow pencil. Next, I'm using those lashes. Those are really, really nice, and those are from Eyelure lashes. I will put the name of those lashes somewhere in here on the screen. Sometimes my lashes cover the eyeshadow, so I'm just going back there and add a little bit more. Next, I'm going to use this lipstick, and this is the Lip Suede Matte Lipstick by NYX, and this is in the shade Brunch Me. It's really a pretty shade. It's warm and matte. It's very comfortable on the lip. I really like it. And now the last thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Flower Crown. And before I apply my setting spray, I'm going to use the Rose Glow Mist again and let it sit. And then I'm going with my Pixi setting spray, and this is the Fixing Mist. It's really, really pretty. Just a little bit of highlight under my eyebrows. I want to set my eyebrows now, and this is the Marcelle Extreme Last. I really like this mascara. It's very tiny. It has a little bit of color to it, so it kind of fills in the gaps as well. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe before you leave. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.